So imagine I am giving a lecture, or you are giving a lecture or presentation. And so we start off with this being the hall, and all of the screens will have content on it related to the lecture or the presentation. And all of the seats can be filled with students. Each person, or participants, each person sit at a seat just like this. You want to sit at a seat, you just sit at a seat. If I want to sit at this seat, you sit at this seat. So it's no different than any other classroom or whatnot, um, or environment. You just pick a seat. Each seat has a laptop in front of it. Each laptop, the screens will be controlled. So whatever is necessary for um, being on display on the laptop during the course of the presentation or the lecture, that's what goes there. So if I'm standing up there talking about WordPress, um, then whatever is related to that portion or that segment of the discussion, that's what we'll show here. But also back there is the stage, and so the speaker stands up here in front of the audience or the students, and has this control panel right here to work with. Behind is the slideshow or the screen, the actual screen being shared. So this is for an actual lecture.